Hi, welcome. My name is Tony Taylor. Today we're going to be covering an exercise we called the shoulder tap in the push-up position. And I've been doing this exercise in my class for about 5 years with my clients. And the two things I like about it is, one, you can vary the exercise from level 1 to level 10. So no matter what ability you've got in the class, everyone can get a workout in this exercise. It's great for beginners. It's also great for the more advanced clients. Secondly, I think it's a wonderful core strengthening exercise for one simple reason: something called time under varied tension. And if you give me a second to get down on the floor, I'll explain how this works, and then we'll show you the step-by-step approach we use in our gym to train our clients. Okay, here we are. We're going to demonstrate the shoulder taps in the push-up position, and then we're going to give you the step-by-step procedure how we actually do it in our gyms. So let's get started. We've got two hands, we've got 2 feet. Let's go into a nice high plank, and then from there we're going to take one arm away. And what's happening now is a whole load of stability being searched for up my arm, through my shoulder girdle, going to end up in my core. I can feel it so much in my core, because obviously we're taking one hand away. Suddenly all that slack got to be taken up by the core muscles, and the variety comes in. We just change sides. You go into this side and you get a whole load of different experience. You can keep changing sides that way. It's just a great exercise for core. Doesn't get any better than that, I don't think, anyway. And I believe it's the essence of what core is all about, and that is supporting and allowing movement to happen safely. Okay, let's go and do the step-by-step routine now, and I'll see you in a second. I'm going to talk you through the step-by-step approach, how we do shoulder taps in a push-up position. So if you want to watch my previous video, one of my videos called the how to do a push-up, you'll get some ideas about what you can do now, but you can watch that if you want to, be in the top of this corner in a second. But if not, we'll have a quick recap of that, and then we'll just move through the exercise nice and quickly. So, as I said before, we go from level 1 to level 10 in this exercise. Level 1 could be on a chair. You're going to be doing your high plank on a chair or on a lower stool, or maybe even on a floor. The secret is you get a really wide hand. When you take one hand away, you'll need all that pressure to go through the fingers, into your arm, into your core. Getting a real spread out hand is a real key. The next big key is, I'll move the chair away. We'll go into a push-up hold, and we're going to have what I call a stupid wide stance. So we're here, we're going wider and wider and wider. Really wide stance. That's the secret of getting this exercise done correctly. But what you don't want to do is move. Every time you move, hips go out, hips go out. You've got to stay completely still when you do the taps. That's the secret. And the way to progress it, as before, either you can go high to lower, or you can narrow your stance. The more you narrow the stance, the more challenging it becomes. So some quick tips, along with the hands, when you start doing the taps, if I'm going to take my left hand to my right shoulder, I want to really push in hard and really brace my core before I take the hand away. Then I go for the tap. Then I feel more stable, and then I change sides and go from there. So find your level, work from your level, but remember that really wide stance and really spread those fingers out. And you'll find it's a wonderful addition to your workouts. In a second, I'm going to give you some little tips, some little workouts you can do using the shoulder tap, and then we'll go from there. Okay. Finally, so we've got to build this exercise into your workup. What you can do now, you can do some reps where you do sort of 10 taps on each side, or 15 taps on each side, or 5 taps on each side. That's one way of doing it, where you go fairly quickly, something like this. And you can make it a little bit more challenging by doing less reps, maybe five reps, but have a 5-second hold, something like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, change sides. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, change sides. So that's another option. So either reps, higher reps, lower reps with a longer hold. But either way, keep your stance wide, keep those hips nice and still, and I hope you like the exercise. So let me know below in the comments how hard you find the exercise. Is it tough? Do you find it difficult? What level you're at on the floor, on a stool, your wife's stool in the bedroom, whatever you're going to use, let me know in the comments below. And finally, if you are in the 50s or 60s and you want to basically build strength, increase your energy, and generally feel good about yourself, just subscribe to my channel down below there, and also click on the bell, and that will notify you for more videos. I'm going to try and produce more videos every week if I can. Just getting going. Hope to see you again. Okay? Thanks. Great.